Namaste. This is Cauvery from Bangalore. Today in my soap tutorials I am going to today show you melt and pour method. For melt and pour you need soap base, fragrance oil, molds and this is the rubbing alcohol. Fine. So I am going to show you today these few soaps. Today I am going to start with this is the soap base. Fine white soap base. I have melted and brought three colors. One is this is lemon soap, and this is orange soap, and this is neem soap, for which I have melted and brought to make it easy for you. For these soaps I am adding fragrance oil. This is orange fragrance oil. Half a teaspoon each I am adding and mixing. Now I am just going to pour these into molds. Look here, sir. Look here. It's very easy. I just poured these. One, and this is neem powder added to this, and light green color added, which I am going to pour it here. Fine. Just watch it. And this is another mold, which is a leaf mold. I am going to add in this the orange one. Like this, you can pour everything. After this, we do not want any froth on this. I am going to spray with liquid. This is rubbing alcohol, and then I am going to allow it to set for some time, so that after 1 hour or so it will set. Then you have to demold it. So this is very important, friends, for you to know that these soaps, that is melt and pour, is very easy, and it is very easy to do, not much of difficulty. Here the soap base is prepared by me. They are fully chemical free, paraben free, even newborn babies can use. And the benefits of this particular soap called as neem soap is very good for the skin. It removes all blemishes, all the dirt from into the skin, and it helps acne also for youngsters. Lemon essential oil soap is also very good for the skin. It has got very good skin benefits. So also is orange. So all these, after an hour you can demold it and start using. So sir, I hope you liked it, and I hope, friends, you all like my video. Thank you. Namaste.